Hi. Today we will see an Ichimoku Cloud screener. This is what it looks like. First, let's see what the Ichimoku Cloud is. I have plotted the default Ichimoku Cloud indicator on the chart. It has several lines, shaded areas, and complete chaos. The indicator has many lines, like conversion line, baseline, lagging span line, and leading span A and B lines. If the price is above these lines, then the trend is bullish. If the price is below these lines, then the trend is bearish. These are the basics of this indicator. Now, let's see our screener. These are the inputs for the Ichimoku Cloud indicator. Here, we can select which line we want to use for screening. By default, the conversion line is selected. So if the price is above this line, then we are bullish, else we are bearish. Here, you can select the stocks for which you want to apply the screener. You can select up to 20 such stocks in this screener. I have shown those 20 stocks in two separate tables, 10 in each. Also here, I have shown which line is chosen by the user for screening, otherwise, we may forget which line was selected. So this box here comes in handy. So let's verify the result now. I have plotted the original Ichimoku indicator to the chart, and plotted only the conversion line, in blue color. I'm on the Nifty chart right now. And we can see that the price is above the conversion line. So, the screener says, up, in front of the Nifty index. Most of the stocks are up with respect to the conversion line, except Apollo Hospital. Let's check that stock's chart. So now we are on the Apollo Hospital's chart. And as you can see, the price is below the conversion line. That is why the screener says, down, here. Now, let's change the line. I'm going to select the baseline. As you can see, the name of the selected line has been updated in this box. I have plotted the baseline in red color, from the original Ichimoku indicator. As you can see, we are on the chart of Apollo Hospital right now, and the price is above the baseline. So the screener says, up, here. The Bajaj Auto says, down. Let's check its chart. Now, I'm on the chart of Bajaj Auto. And we can see that the price is below the baseline. So the screener says, down, here. An important point to be noted is that one should apply this screener only on such a chart, which is running live right now. Otherwise, the indicator will show such an error message. I'm making this screener available for everyone to use for free. The link to the indicator is given in the description of this video. Copy that link, and paste it into a web browser. Such a page will open. This is my TradingView profile, by the way. Please follow if you like. Then, scroll down a little, and you will see this Add to Favorites button. Click it. Now, open any stock chart that is running live right now. Go to the Indicators option. And go to the Favorites section. Here, you will see the indicator listed. Just click it. Now you are free to use it. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.